Hey, it's Kier with Digital Red Zone. I want to show you something really cool and fun. Next time you want to take a road trip, try this idea out. It's brand new from Bard. If you don't know what Bard is, Bard's Google's artificial intelligence, kind of their version of GPT, a little bit different. But you can use Bard now to explore using Google Maps. So let's take a trip. I want to create driving directions maps to the top 10 barbecue restaurants in South Carolina. I'm going to start from my business in South Carolina, Digital Red Zone. So let's get it to create that for us. So you see it's accessing Google Maps data. And then what it'll do is give me the top 10. And it'll give me an individual map to each one. This is a road trip. I want to make it cool. So there's each individual map to each of the top 10 barbecue restaurants. List. I spell so bad, spell check. Okay. Thank you, Grammarly. List the top 10 barbecue restaurants and based. So I'm gonna take a barbecue restaurant road trip. So it's gonna give me the top 10. Well, it gave me 5. And it may not have data enough to give 10. So let's see. So here's what I'll do. I want to go from each single place in order of popularity. So let me create a prompt and I want to get this road trip underway quickly. Okay, so we got this thing ready to roll here. So what I did is got them to list the top 10 based on popularity out of that list, and then I wanted to start from my home base, my office, and then go to each restaurant um, in order of popularity, and then back to my office. So I had to create a road trip for me, and it gives me the driving directions on how to do the whole thing, so you can print it out. And then really cool, it creates a big map for me to follow. And I click on the maps, and then look, I got a map I can share, save. I got a road trip going to the top 10 barbecue restaurants based on popularity. Looks like a long journey, but it'll be a yummy one. Hey, if you know one of these barbecue restaurants and you think it's better than the rest, let us know in the comments. I want to visit. Thought this was really neat. I hope you try this out. Go to Bard, play with it, create a road trip, um, and then do it. Have a great day. And as always, you want to be one of the top people in your area for what you do or sell, contact us, Digital Red Zone.